My question to folks is really, where can I pay the least amount of money, get into a nice house, and get added value in time? Right now, I gotta tell people, I picked up some properties in the south side of Chicago for 10 grand. Like, okay, you buy this, it may be run down, I'm gonna have to fix it up.
Yeah.
You bring it back to life, and you've made a lot of money. It's not a bad deal. I've come in, an interesting thing, a lot of attorneys who work with these families who actually die, leave it to the kids, they can't get them sold, and they get them to the point where it's, look, just get this thing out. Here, 10,000, give me the house, let me get this off the books so we can move forward. And it does happen. And if you take a look at the ad listing sometimes, you'll see a few plots that come down for 10, 15, 20 grand. Get this 5-bedroom, 4-bath house off my hands, because it can be fixed out and turned into a gym. So those are things that I like. But hey, you know, talk to the pros like you guys.
Yeah, but we should encourage that more for individuals to say, hey, you can you find yourself in a situation where you find a home that's run down, that needs some TLC. You can buy it for 10, 15, 20 grand. You come in and fix it up.